Hello kids, welcome back to Little Ones Learning. Today we will learn 10 lines essay on Christmas. All are ready? Let's get started. Christmas is a famous festival that gets celebrated by Christians. Christians celebrate this festival on the 25th of December. Jesus has born on this beautiful day of Christmas, which is why people celebrate this day as a festival. Christians celebrate Christmas organizing different events and shows and inviting near ones. People make numerous delicacies at Christmas. People decorate their houses with special buntings and stones on the day of Christmas. Christians also decorate the Christmas tree. People believe that Santa Claus appears on this day to gift the children. Children usually put stockings on the door for receiving gifts. Christmas is a wonderful and holy festival for the Christian people. Merry Christmas! Thank you for watching this video. If you like the video, please like and share, and please do subscribe and press the bell icon for the new notifications. Thank you. Bye bye.